Hello friends, today we will try to see the impact of US imposing 50% tariff on Indian exports. Best we are hearing that US is going to impose 50% tariff on Indian exports. So what will happen to India's economic scene? So tariff increase. US President Donald Trump announced further 25% tariff on Indian goods, which will make it total of 50% in response to India's continued purchase of Russian oil. In order to take revenge, US has imposed 25% more tariff from August 27, 2025, unless a new agreement is reached. So Morgan Stanley projects that this tariff hike could shave off 0.8% from India's GDP growth over next year. It will cause fall in GDP of India to 0.8%, mitigating the government policy measures. Alternative estimates is that Citigroup says an estimate of 0.6 to 0.8 percentage point hit an annual GDP growth, whereas the Bloomberg says it will be 1.1% decline if sectors like pharmaceuticals and electronics are targeted. So, sector-specific impacts of US tariff will be like this: labor-intensive industries like textiles, footwear, gems and jewelry, seafood, which share a large portion of US exports, face sharp competitiveness and challenges and losses along with job disruptions. Jewelry sectors industry, especially in CPZ Mumbai, where nearly 85% of output is exported to US, warns of severe production cost increase, potential relocation challenges, and the erosion of invaluable artisanal heritage. Parts and seafood also will be affected largely. Exports of auto parts, which is $7 billion annually, and seafood, especially shrimp, are expected to suffer significantly, with business exploring production bases in Dubai, Mexico, and Africa to evade high tariffs. Pharmaceuticals exports appear to be exempt for now, likely due to US national security review under Section 232. But threat of future tariff is also there. So broader economic responses that are growth strategy under pressure. The tariff shock could undermine India's broader initiatives such as positioning itself as manufacturing alternative to China under Make in India by deterring FDI and complicating supply chain realignment. Policy and market reactions. Analysts says that Indian policymakers may need to intervene through strategies like interest rate cuts, fiscal stimulus, etc. Now it is time to call for action. Industry bodies and political figures are pushing for swift trade negotiations, export support schemes, government measures to offset tariff disruptive impacts. So key impact of this tariff will be GDP growth loss, that is 0.6% to 1.1% dip is expected. At-risk sectors are textiles, gems, jewelry, footwear, seafood, auto parts. Pharma sector is currently exempted, but its future is uncertain. Government response may take in the form of monetary and fiscal support expected, trade talks needed, and strategic concerns undermines Make in India supply chain stability FDI. So US for 50% tariff presents a stark economic headwind for India, threatening growth and impacting export-intensive sectors and calling for urgent policy support.